Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to another reading video. If you have not seen the previous video, here is a link to it. I'm going to tell you about B1 level reading for secure English language test. This video can be extremely useful for candidates who are taking general training IELTS and their required band score is 4 or 4.5. This video is for beginners, so if you don't know English and you have a problem with reading, you hate it, I'm here for you. Let's start. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the reading part. Reading has 4 parts. Today in this lesson, we're going to go through part 1, multiple choice questions. What should be your strategy and what you should do in order to get the correct answer? Let's start. All right, let's do it. As you can see, this very nice little paragraph in here. What is step 1? Read the title. This is your title. Do you know how to read it? Let's read it together. Using your travel card. Pretty easy. Now, we have to find the answer to this blank. Step number 1, read the title. What is step number 1? Let's write it in here. Read the title. That's your step 1. What is step 2? Look at any pictures if you have in your passage. Picture. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Try to understand. Read the title. Look at the picture. And then after that, what would you do? Step number 3. What is step number 3? You are going to look at the questions. Read the options. Read the options. Options. All right. So here are our options. Travel, journey, or adventure. Now, let's quickly move to step number 4, that is, read the options and scan your answer by reading the information. Scan the answer in the paragraph. Okay, scan the answer in the paragraph. So here we have, make sure you have enough money on it. Show card at start of blank. Keep card with you at all times. Report loss immediately. So, show card at the start of travel. Show card at the start of journey. Or show card at the start of adventure. Usually when you travel from one point to another, that is called a journey. So what is the correct answer? Journey. You can write B here as your answer. Well, I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching.